Brixton, let me see. What did you get?
Fish.
Let me see. Bring it to mommy. Let me see. What did you get? Let me see. Puzzles? Oh,
Mommy.
look at it.
Mommy.
Do you want me to open it?
Okay.
Open it? Do you know who this is from? It's from Grandma.
For what was it for?
From Grandma? Say Grandma.
Mom.
What's this?
Fish.
What's this bus?
Chuck.
It looks like a truck, but it's a bus. Should we see what the other ones are? Can you say, Brixton, look at me. Say, thanks, Grandma. Say thanks, Grandma. All right, we'll open it. Brixton, say thank you.
Thank you.
Say, Grandma.
Grandma.
Okay, say, I can't wait to play.
Please try.
Give her a kiss. Okay, wave bye.